how to fix 8 ball pool not opening on Bluestacks 5. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix 8 ball pool not opening on Bluestacks 5. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix this issue, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. First, open BlueStacks 5 and check if your graphics settings are set to compatibility mode. Step 2. Over here, try clearing the cache by going to Settings Apps 8 Ball Pool Storage and selecting Clear Cache. Step 3. After that, restart BlueStacks 5 and try launching the game again. Step 4. If the issue persists, then download an older version of 8 Ball Pool from a trusted source and install it manually on BlueStacks. Step 5. Finally, make sure your BlueStacks version is up to date, as outdated versions might have compatibility issues with the latest game updates. So that's how you can fix 8 ball pool not opening on BlueStacks 5. That's all for this video.